In today's video, we will walk through the Smart Import feature. With Smart Import, you can upload client documents such as account statements and meeting transcripts. The Smart Import will extract key financial details, including family, income, savings, expenses, goals, and net worth information. Whether you're working with a new prospect, onboarding a client, or updating an existing client plan, Smart Import is designed to streamline data entry and save you valuable time. To get started, head to the Advisor portal and click the More menu, then choose Data Import. Select Smart Import from the list. From here, to upload a document, click the blue Upload Document button. Choose a file from your computer or drag and drop it to the uploader. Next, select whether this report is for a new household or an existing one. If this is for a new household, you will have to enter the name of each client within the plan. Once the upload is complete, you can review the extracted data. Click Awaiting Review to explore the family information, income, savings, expenses, goals, and net worth information. You can selectively import each section, giving you full control over what data is added to the client's plan. Finally, to verify the import, open the relevant household. Click the arrow icon to access the plan, and you'll see all the imported data already in place. Whether you are working with a prospect, onboarding a new client, or updating an existing client plan, Smart Import helps you streamline your workflow and focus more on delivering great financial plans. For more information, visit the RightCapital Help Center or reach out to our support team.